I'll show you. Look, he's fine.
It's fine.
Está bien. Look, no problem.
Now
Hey,
sit.
sit.
Relax.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, other dogs can walk.
It's okay. Hey.
They're not
It's okay.
bad.
Hey, how you guys doing? We're training. It's okay. We're training. He's friendly. He can't get to you. Don't worry. I got it.
No, sit.
Wow.
Hey. Sit. Now you notice he didn't bark. He didn't growl.
I never seen people like that.
He's just curious. Right, he's curious. He wanted to make friends. Now, if he was going to be aggressive, you would see a completely different dog. You would see him like.
He gets really mean.
But he didn't do that, right? You didn't see him do that.
No, but I see it sounded like.
Yeah,
he was like.
he's just curious. Okay, sit. Hey, sit. See, he's not gonna bite. He's a very good boy. He's very good.
Me pone la mano así, el chavito se saca.
Hey, sit. Sit. It's okay. Yeah, just let him smell. It's okay. He's not gonna bite you. See, they have a bad. Yes, he's not growling. He's good. He's just a little apprehensive because he's very protective of my wife. So, but just once he smells you, Rusty, sit.
This is good.
See, he's not gonna bite. He just wants to smell. It's okay. Yeah, let him. No, it's okay. Yeah, no. Oh, yeah, she got dirty. It's okay. He's a good boy. He likes to play.
He likes to.
Down. Sit. He's big. He's
you again.
Yeah, but he likes to. He loves to play. If he jumps up on you, that means he wants to play. He's not trying to attack you or bite you. He's good. Yeah, he's a very good boy. Rusty.
He's like protecting her now.
Okay.
Like,
Mira.
What are you looking at?
Rusty. Hey. Sit.
Wow. Incredible.
I know most of them don't. They want nice. My daughter's boyfriend
Make sure
did
he
his
looks at you.
when he was a puppy.
Make sure you look.
Wow.
Okay.
Rusty.
Oh,
Rusty.
oh.
Be careful when they're around.
Yeah, don't scare him.
Yeah, don't come up behind him.
Yeah. He's good. You see how good he is? Don't be scared.
Some people, they're not. Some people are not. Hey. Okay.
See, he wants to play. So you're holding him, so you control him. When he jumps up like that, you say, hey, sit. Hey, sit.
Good.
It's all about training. All about training. Okay? You're good to them. Teach them right. They will be good.
Right.
Like kids.
They're like kids.
Yeah.
Right? You raise them, you teach them right. They will be good.
Sit.
Very good. Very good.
He need to respond, like, hey,
Yeah.
Right.
hold on.
They respond to strength, authority. See, he's been trained properly. See, there you go.
You train it or somebody else?
No, I train it.
You train it?
Yeah, I train it.
So you get it like a little puppy?
As a very small puppy.
Is it?
Wow.
6 meses.
You know this?
Now he's what?
Rusty. Sit.
2 años. 2 años.
2 años?
Ahora sí, 2 años.
Those years or even? Okay.
Now.
Not dog years. Dog years are like.
No, dog years are,
7.
yeah, they're like 7.
So he's 14.
He's 14.
Okay.
Rusty, no.
Oh, there's the guy.
It's okay, he can go on. Rusty.
comes another dog.
Hope there's not another poop.
It doesn't matter. He's okay.
To be afraid. Okay. One last pet, because we're going to continue our walk. Say bye, Rusty. Say bye. Say